Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tyrone Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. Like the video by clicking the thumbs up, share with friends. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to adjust needle on sewing machine. Assuming you are a tailor and you want to sew bag, you know that you're not using the same needle, right? So even if you're not a tailor and you don't know how to adjust needle on sewing machine, it's very easy. Okay, so you come to this, look at the screw. Have you seen this screw? See it? Okay, this is where needle, this screw is where you insert your needle. Okay, so make sure you bring this one down. Okay, then you pull this, you loosen this, you lose it. Then this is the smooth part of my needle. Okay, this is the one that have hole, so this is where I'm going to be using the one that is smooth. Okay, so I'll do like this and put it inside this screw. Okay, and make sure that it's well fitted. It has, you see, I make sure that it's up, like it has completely filled in the knot, this knot. Okay, so once I fix it, I'm now going to, I'll just tighten it. I'll make sure that it's tight so that it will not be falling off. Okay, that is all. Okay, and if you want to change your needle, it's the same thing. Assuming maybe you are sewing and it broke or it break, all you need to do is unscrew this place and change the needle. It's as simple as that. If you have any other video suggestion, let me know, guys. So thank you so much. Watch our videos. We have videos on bag making, different types of bags, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.